Happy Sunday, guys. Once again, another meal for you guys. As you can see here, we have the jerk ribs. Yes, the jerk ribs with the jerk sauce, followed by your fried chicken. Yeah. And the sweet chili wings was so delicious, I had to remake it for this video again. Look at that. Look at that. Yep. Then you got the shrimp. Yeah, that's a steamed shrimp. Got your little pasta. Oh, ready to dive in. Of course, I'm laying off the rice, so we do the sweet potato once again. Love me some sweet potato. And you always gotta have your salad. You know what I mean? Got that cucumber, that kiwi, that grape, that good stuff. Last video I had the sorrel, but no, I'm having this with some lemonade with the lime. You guys call it lemon, I say lime. See? Some lemonade though. There you have it. Yeah, that's my Sunday meal. Peace.